To see how I created my acorn bookends, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking part in a collaboration that's hosted by Bobbycatskitten. She asked that we do either a DIY or some type of fall related video. So I'm doing a set of fall bookends. I'm using these coasters that came from Ross, and I'm using the acorns that came from Hobby Lobby. Both items were purchased last year. The first thing that I'm doing is removing the backing and the price tag from the back of the coasters. Then I'm just going to hot glue the coasters together to create my bookend platform, and from there I'll place my acorns on the coasters. Okay, so I have my hot glue, which I didn't mention, my hot glue sticks and my hot glue gun. And so basically all I'm going to do is just hot glue the two portions together, being sure that the one with the furniture protectors is at the bottom. And I just like doing simple, easy DIYs, nothing that require me to do too much thinking. So I'm just going to, making sure you can see, just going to need to get me a new glue gun. That needs to be my next investment. Just gonna hot glue that. And then I'm gonna take this one and just place it down like that and carefully glue them together. And hold my pressure. And then I'm gonna get some E6000 and go around here, but I don't have any right now. But for the time being, this is going to hold me just perfect. So I have that one done. Then I'm just gonna repeat the same process with this one. Okay, love, so now that I have my bookends put together, I'm gonna go ahead and add my acorns here. I think this is really cute. I'm going to put them kind of like at an angle. I'm not gonna put them like that. I want them like at an angle. That's how I want them. Turn them that way so you can see them better. Yep, I want them kind of like at an angle. Yeah, that's how I want them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put my glue around the rim of the bottom. Now these acorns came from Hobby Lobby last year. I think Hobby Lobby still have these this year. They have them in silver, gold, and the rose gold, just in case someone wants to run out and grab them some. So again, I'm going to put it at an angle. So I have that one at an angle. Apply my little pressure there and move it out of the way. So I'm gonna grab my second one, but I'm going to turn it around so that I can have them kind of like cornered like the same. Yeah, I think that looks perfectly well. I'm gonna push it just a little bit, maybe not as close. And then again, I'm just going to put the glue around the rim of this one at the bottom. Again, I just love doing simple DIYs, you guys. Then I'm just gonna corner that one just a little bit as well. Then just hold my pressure here. And then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to style my DIY bookends. I'm not going to do anything else to them because I think this is perfectly enough glam for me for my bookshelf in my home office. So let me take you guys to show you where I'm going to be using these items. So if the lighting is off in here, it's during the day, it looks better at night. So let me see if I open up this window with, the blinds, will the lighting be better? I'm not sure if that's making it any better or worse. But anyway, I want to change out these bookends here for the other ones just to see if I like it better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these out of the way. Just gonna set them to the side. Now I will be putting these back out for the winter time because I'll be using some Christmas bookends over here for Christmas. So I have my DIY bookend here. And I know it's a little smaller, but that's okay. It being smaller means that I will be able to put something else up here with it. So I'm liking it so far. You can see it from here. I'm gonna put my other one over here on this side. I wish the lighting was better in here. So I think that's cute. I like it. So what I ended up doing is catacornering the bookends in the books just a tad bit because I want to place my squirrel over here. I'm not sure if I want to use the bigger squirrel here. I can use it that way, and I can put a candle here with it. Now that's cute. I wish you can see it better. I'm probably going to record this at night so you can see how it looks. But this is the day look. Yeah, so I'm either gonna do this small squirrel up here, or I do have a smaller one, or I may do the smaller. I'm actually liking the bigger squirrel better. So I'm gonna put my small one back down here where I had it, and I'm going to put my bigger one back over here. Yeah, so that's my DIY. Okay everyone, so the sun has went down, and so now I can show you how this shelf looks with my DIY acorn bookshelves book ends on it. So yeah, so I think this is super cute. I like the way that looks. Again, I can either use my larger squirrel here, which I have, or I could remove this. But to me, you guys know I am what? That's right, team too much. For me, I have to have this candle here in order for that shelf to be complete. So I want to give a big shout out to Bobbycatskitten for hosting this collaboration. I hope that you guys enjoyed my DIY bookends. If you have not subscribed to Homebody, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you will love my content. And if you're interested in seeing how I have this entire bookshelf style for fall, You're going to have that notification bell hit so that you won't miss that video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.